So welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Wi-Fi network in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Redmi phone. So how can you unpair? Today I will show you in this video. So friends, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Redmi phone. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to unpair Wi-Fi network. After on phone setting guys, scroll friends, you can see phone Wi-Fi setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys these Wi-Fi guys we have paired means connected and we want to unpair. So guys, how can we unpair? Friends, right side this option guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your auto connect option. Friends, you want to on and guys you want to off guys your auto connect option. Friends, you can on and off from here. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your modify network guys. You want to modify this network, you can modify from here. Friends, you can see forget network means unpair. So guys tap here, then unpair. So Wi-Fi network will unpair guys. We cannot use this Wi-Fi network. If we use so we will have to pair again means we will have to enter password again. Then guys we can pair this Wi-Fi network. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.